I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine, no friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around,
this is what it looks like in here.
Why it's getting colder when the sun come out. Might just waste away, don't know what life about.
So I attached two zip ties together and I did the thing. So now I think if I put the panel, the back panel back on, it would close. Hypothetically. Hopefully. By the way, this is the setup we got going on. Beautiful mess. Okay, here's my second attempt at turning it on. I just put the power plug thing in incorrectly, and looks like the fans are lit up, but they're not spinning. Anyway, pretty cool, pretty proud of myself.
You ain't peak, never speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some sofa sunny shit to brighten up a witness. Honest, you the penny, take it down like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you with Infinity, we 98, trust that he be good, on the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes, got the faith, the 18 just not gonna be the same, finna be down generations.
So here's the nice clean black setup without power on. Just gonna do a little bit of peeling here, take a look at that. Nice. And take the USB out with Windows installed in it. Plug this bad boy in. And moment of truth. Let me move this first. Okay. On purple. Everything's plugged in. Great. Oh wait, it's because the power supply isn't on. There we go. Look at it go. Look at it go. I got the keyboard to light up, I just didn't plug it in all the way. So here's the setup looking. It's looking pretty snazzy. Woo. But the monitor's not working still. So I just switched the HDMIs that I plugged there and plugged that there and plugged that there, and now it's finally turned on. Oh my gosh! Yes, I got it working. This is looking really swaggy and I'm so happy. windows.
Not gonna be in vain, too young. Why you gotta go, why you gotta go? I just wanna know now, true now. Cry and get no, hope you freed your soul, hope you freed your soul. I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you.
Hello guys, so little update. It's the next day and I got I customized the RGBs for the mouse and the keyboard, and I got OBS and I got my audio to work, which means I can record gaming. I have to announce my gaming channel. This is really awkward, but I made a gaming channel. Here's a little sneak peek into that. Here's a game of Bedwars Alex and I played. Thanks for watching. Bye. Oh, that's cringy. Thanks for watching game. Okay, no, I'm done with this video.